All right, so then you hit create. All right, so once we hit create there, see what we have. Now we can start to do the magic. We have pretty much created our group over here. You have your admin tools to the left. You have your admin assist. You have your member requests, your badge requests, your membership questions to the left, your pending approvals, your scheduled posts, your activity log, your group rules, which are very, very important. So you lay the law, member reported content, moderation alerts, group quality, grow group, community roles. So these are all the admin tools on the left here. And as I click them, because it's pretty much new, there's not much going on here and stuff. So the community chats, you know, your general chat, you get to set it up. Give and get support, you get to set it up. Admin assistant, mood boost. So all these things are like just chats that you could set up. Now, if you go to admin assist, you can approve members, request, decline members, manage people. Over here, manage posts, decline incoming posts if, and you see you could add all these rules here. You know, create your own rules, spam posts, which I really think is cool. Member requests. Nobody is asked to request today, of course, because it's a new rule. All right, membership questions is next. Not here. Ask pending members up to 3 questions when they request to join your group. So you could say, hey, are you going to screw up? No. Are you going to be drinking live? I'm just kidding. So you just, membership questions so that at least they know what's going on. Pending approvals. It shows what you need to approve. No posts to review. Scheduled posts are here so you can create a post, but there's nothing here. Your activity log shows what's happened. So you see we added community chats to the group, change settings so members can suggest community chats for admin. You can see everything that I've done. It shows up there. So you have your group rules. You could create that over there. Member reported content, no member reported content. That's if one of the members reported some content that they are not comfortable with. Your moderation alerts. You can edit your alerts. You can set your alerts so you don't miss things that are important. Your group quality. I think this is pretty cool. It shows that your group has no issues, no violations to show. So your group is in good standing. You grow your group. Allow Facebook to suggest this group, and then your community roles. So you have your admins, which everybody knows, and then your moderators, and you could choose them through there. You can add and remove your admins and all that by just clicking the add button to the right here. Now, also to the bottom, you have your group settings here, and then add features. So you can raise money, product tagging, prayer, allow people to pray and share their faith. That is so cool. These are just really cool. Now you go to the insights, your growth, your engagement, admins and moderators, your membership to see how many members you have, your help center. So you can figure out how to do things, join a group, participate, create a group, all that fun stuff. And, there it is. So it's kind of cool when you think about it. Those are the things that actually you could do on the group.